have you heard of Tongkat, Ollie?
Yeah, Joe Rogan and Dr. Huberman were talking about it. They seem to be very popular products purchased on Amazon. Have you tried it?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if I feel much of a difference.
Well, here's some advice. Check the supplement facts panel. If it only contains Tongkat Ollie, this means you are buying root powder. Do you know that Tongkat Ollie is 99% wood? Of course it isn't safe to consume wood. Further, Tongkat Ollie wood powder also has little to no actives. Here's a lab report of some of the top-selling Tongkat Ollie products on Amazon. 0 Eurycoma and uripeptides.
What about 100 to 1, 200 to 1, or 400 to 1 extracts? Those must be good, right?
If they're not standardized, you really never know what you're getting. Here's the result on a popular Tongkat Ollie root extract 200 to 1. Very low Eurycoma and not much uripeptides. Here's another one claiming 200 to 1, equivalent to taking 240 grams of Tongkat Ollie root.
Wow. 0 Eurycoma and uripeptides, just like the root powder? So if the products are standardized to Eurycoma, then it's okay?
Look at this. Here's a product that claims high potency, maximum strength, and is a fast-acting formula. 0.35% of Eurycoma per 600 milligrams equals 2.1 milligrams of Eurycoma per cap. 6.2% of uripeptides per 600 milligrams equals 37.2 milligrams of uripeptides per cap.
So then what is a good Tongkat Ollie product that I should look for?
Great question. LJ100 Eurycoma longifolia extract is the only Tongkat Ollie that is backed by 25 published human clinical studies. LJ100 is a result of a research collaboration between MIT and the Malaysian government. It is standardized to 40% glycosaponins, 22% uripeptides, and Eurycoma. MIT has clinically proven that uripeptides are what's responsible for the desirable increases in DHEA, testosterone, and progesterone, and a reduction in cortisol. This means that it encourages a favorable anabolic balance.
That's amazing, but some people may claim that LJ100 Tongkat Ollie is like steroids.
Not at all. LJ100 first and foremost is proven safe and it's all natural. Also, LJ100 is what a real, clinically backed Tongkat Ollie extract should make you feel. We have tested LJ100 for 183 substances that are banned from the World Anti-Doping Association, and no prohibited substance was found. Seriously, don't waste your money on buying cheap Tongkat Ollie powder obtained from the woody part of the plant, and that doesn't contain active compounds. And don't buy any other Tongkat Ollie products that claim 200 to 1 or even 400 to 1 extract ratio from China. Buy the only clinically proven Tongkat Ollie extract, LJ100. Oh, there are other reasons why LJ100 is superior. It is the original, the first Tongkat Ollie ingredient introduced into North America, and the company behind it supports the native people, Orang Asli of Malaysia, who caretake and harvest the plant by helping to provide for their independence and ability to nurture their families and their communities. Turn back the clock with LJ100, the world's best adaptogen.